If you're looking for Betsey Johnson women necklaces, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1. Bestseller, by Betsey Johnson. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2. Another great product by Betsey Johnson. Number 3. For more info about these great women necklaces, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Betsey Johnson. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.